Hello friends, welcome to Kavish IAS, Converting Possibilities into Reality. Today, in this section of Suggestives, we shall talk about one of the leads that is being talked about a lot due to its enormous influence on the Indian economy. Our topic today is Chip, the Tech Brahmastra for India. We will see what it is actually and how could it transform India in becoming one of the leading tech industries where the entire globe would depend on India for every electronic. We would also see the probable challenges in achieving this dream in this section. So friends, let us begin with our session. So, first of all, what are chips? These are tiny wafer of semiconductors with an embedded electronic circuit used in various types of electronics, like mobile phones, cars, gaming gadgets, medical instruments, or even AI. It implies that chip manufacture can make a country the key supplier for various industries. So being a chip giant is indeed a fortune for a nation. Now, what are the chief global chip markets? They are United States, Japan, China, Taiwan, and South Korea, out of which Taiwan is world's most advanced chip-making infrastructure with 4 mega manufacturers. But why the other supremes like US and China lagging behind Taiwan? We will see the answer in the later sections. Now, it's time to address the famous chip war and discuss about how could India benefit from it. As we have seen, Taiwan produces around 60% of all semiconductors and 93% of the most advanced kinds of chips. So, it has highest control in this industry. If China overtakes Taiwan, then this market will melt down and United States, being one of the biggest dependents on Taiwan, would not be happy with it. So, Taiwan unwilling to get included in China, and on the other hand, Japan restricting its semiconductor export to China have raised the concerns for the country. Now the question arises, if Taiwan ultimately becomes a part of China, US would have to deal with its rival in order to run its electronics industries. This makes America think of an alternative. So India comes to its rescue. Being one of the fastest growing economies in the world and producing the heads for chief tech companies, there's no dilemma in admitting that India can be the best alternative for chip industry as well. United States is willing to invest in India under the US-India ISET, that is, Initiative on Critical and Emerging Technology, to promote commercial development, research, talent and skill development to enhance chip ecosystem in our country. But there are some challenges as well. The rest of the world is reluctant to join hands with us in this matter. Let us see why. The essential requirement for setting up chip manufacture plant is availability of unlimited electricity and water supply. This is the reason why not other superpowers have tried to set up such plants, where Taiwan has succeeded. Now, India already being struggling with economic issues and droughts doesn't hold a trustworthy position to be a good option for such a big venture. But still, with our trials and developmental schemes, we can grow up to be one of the best manufacturers for semiconductor as well. In the end, I would like to conclude the presentation and thank you all for being patient and kind for listening to. And if you have any confusion or need any clarification regarding this topic or any other topic, please feel free to contact us in the given number or in the chat box as well. If you are willing to get online or offline classes for UPSC exams, you can also contact us for the same in the given number. Thank you and have a nice day.